We are about to take up 4 times 100 meters mixed relay for under 20 years junior men and women.
So the first of the teams that will be introduced.
Yeah, that is the team Kerala, which is now entering from the introduction spot. And now it is the team Odisha.
Their team is Pankaj Mondal, Mohanty Debashish, Behara Subham and Daneshwar Garad.
And that is Haryana now entering.
Their team Kumar Mohit, Asha, Rahul and Tamanna.
And now it is team Tamil Nadu.
Balasubramaniam, Akslin, Raja Karthik and Harshita.
And there is team Maharashtra.
Maharashtra with Nazrat Glenn, Bachi Pranjal, Suhas Dake and Isha Jadhav. Well, for you viewers, remember they have their lane numbers on their right side of the shots. And if you can see that number there, 7.
And there is team Delhi.
And final team is Delhi, Lalit Bhatti, Harshit Goswami, Santosh Kati and Himanshu. Mixed under 24 by 400 meters.
And as we are about to take up the last event on track, which will be the final of 4 times 100 meters mixed relay for under 20 years, men as well as women. Tomorrow's event, that is the second day's events of the 39th National Junior Athletics Championship, organized by Sports and Youth Services Department, Government of Odisha, in collaboration with Odisha Athletics Association, will begin right at 6 a.m. The first event will be 10,000 meter race walk for junior women under 20 years. And the second will be the final of 5,000 meter race walk for youth men under 18 years, which will be at 6:55. And thereafter at 7:30 a.m. it will be 110 meter hurdles for junior men under 20 round 1. And other events will follow. Of course, we have events up to 12 noon tomorrow. And our afternoon session tomorrow will begin right at 4 p.m.
What a wonderful guest in the com box here. Call him Shri. He's done such a wonderful job. As I keep on saying, everyone from the AFI out here, their respective duties, the men behind the scene, as I would call them, the athletes are the ones who are recognized, and rightly so. But you can't have any event. Remember, athletics, to me, Muthu, is by far the most difficult discipline to cover. You got 100 different from the 200. The 200 is different from the 400. The shot put is different from the discus. The discus is different from the javelin. The high jump is different from the pole vault. The long jump is different from the triple jump. So that to me is the most difficult in terms of logistics, and that's why you have such a wonderful team. The starters, the call room, the track referee, the track judges, and then of course you have the bosses, the meet. Is there a boss? No, well, then there's no one who's a boss, isn't it? It's all a team.
Yes.
The team working in cohesion. It's like a relay team that we mentioned.
Yes, Wagli sir, as you said, athletics is one game which is having mixture of what to say events. If we get into a game, repeatedly we look only the same actions, the same pattern here, jumping, running, throwing, everything differs, and as you said, even in running, 100 differs from 200, it differs from 400 and so on.
So we'll give you the lineup here. This is, of course, lane number 4, which is Odisha. Lane number 5 is Haryana. They will start off with Mohit Kumar. Tamil Nadu in 6 will start with R. Balasubramani. The 7th is Maharashtra with Glenn Nazareth starting for them. And then 8 will be Delhi with Lalit Bhatti. Kerala will start with T.A. Ghosh. They will run the first 400 meters in the respective lanes, and then the next runner will run the next 100 in the respective lane. After that, after 500 meters, they will all be allowed to come into the single track. That's a standard rule for 4x400 in any athletic meet, right from school to the Olympic Games. So Kerala to start in 3, Odisha in 4, Haryana in 5, Tamil Nadu 6, Maharashtra 7 and Delhi 8. The men starting here, innovative event, the mixed relay. This is the final. Remember, we are ending day 1 with a final.
Yeah, that's going to be the 12th final for the opening day.
And now setting off there. Ghosh, Kerala, Pankaj Mondal, Odisha, Mohit Kumar, Haryana, Balasubramaniam of Tamil Nadu, Glenn Nazareth, Maharashtra, Lalit Bhatti of Delhi. Far side. Far side, now coming into the bend towards the 120 meters into the home straight. We've got 7 Maharashtra now taking that lead. Well, that lead might help them. That lead might help them. Glenn Nazareth now hands over the baton to Pranjal Bache. Will they be able to hold on to that lead, Maharashtra? Pranjal Bache. These are the women now who have taken over.
And there is Haryana, which is in front, being followed by Maharashtra. And in the 3rd position, we have Tamil Nadu.
So for Haryana, it is Asha in the lead. Maharashtra with the lead starting off, Pranjal Bachi. She has now slipped into the 2nd position.
3rd is Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu have M. Akslin.
Now moving to 2nd.
Now moving to 2nd, yes. The Maharashtra girl, Pranjal Bachi, has been pipped there by Asha taking the lead, and Tamil Nadu, M. Akslin. That's a nice baton handover now as the men once again take over. Is it Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra? That's the pattern. The others, Muthu, I don't think have a chance.
Yes, the 2nd runner is having a good chance as he is very tall. He can put up. Yeah, now you see there is a change.
So that is Suhas Dake of Maharashtra, who now takes the lead, but that might be a temporary lead. He's looking strong. You have lane number 5 that who started off is Haryana with Rahul, and Tamil Nadu's Raja Karthik. Maharashtra will be the first. That's Suhas Dake will hand it over. Taking over is Isha Jadhav. She's strong. She's opened up about 5 meters, Muthu.
Yes.
Will Maharashtra be able to hold on to that?
And Tamil Nadu, which was occupying the second position for quite some time, a brief time, is now occupying the third position.
So Haryana with Tamanna, Tamil Nadu with Harshita, Isha Jadhav for Maharashtra. That lead now opening up to about 10 meters. She's looking strong. So Maharashtra, they are virtually towards the finish, and Haryana will take the silver. So there she is. They were in lane number 7. Glenn Nazareth started off for them. Pranjal Bachi took the second. Suhas Dake continued to open up that lead, and Isha Yadav finished off with Haryana taking the silver and Tamil Nadu taking the bronze. Haryana with Mohit Kumar, Asha Rahul and Tamanna. Tamil Nadu with R. Subramani, Akslin, Raja Karthik and Harshita. Fascinating, wasn't it?
Yes, it was a good race. The day started with a good race, that is 10,000 meter for men. It was a close finish between 5 of the athletes, and as Vagles has said, 1500 meters for women and men as well was a close race. And here again, the relay, 4 times 400 meters mixed relay, happened to be a fantastic one, having Maharashtra and Haryana first and second positions, and for a brief time Tamil Nadu entering the second position, and at the last finishing Maharashtra on top, Haryana for the second and Tamil Nadu for the third. Well, that is Maharashtra, which had clocked 3 minutes 31.11 second, getting the gold. Haryana clocking 3 minutes 33.02 seconds, getting the silver, and Tamil Nadu winning the bronze with 3 minutes 33.90 seconds. These were the 3 teams in top 3, and it was Maharashtra and Haryana who always occupied the top 2 slots, and Tamil Nadu, which was in the third, occupied the second slot for a brief time.